हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते सबैजनालाई। आज म यहाँ सिउहोङमा आइपुगेको छु दाइको। आज चाहिँ सर्ट हाइकिङ अलिकति डाँडा चढ्नलाई हिँडेको। 8 गरेको 8 गर्दैछु अलिकति हिँड्नलाई। अब कस्तो हुन्छ हेरौँ। तपाईँहरू हेर्दै जानुहोस्। हामी कहाँ जाँदैछ पर डाँडामा जाँदैछु। पर डाँडामा हेरौँ हिँड्न कोसिस गर्ने छौँ। सायद छोरा बच्चाहरू चाहिँ यिनीहरू सक्दैन होला हिँड्न धेरै, त्यही भएर अहिले ठ्याक्कै हामी अहिले नोभोल्यान्डको अगाडि आइपुगेको छौँ। यो नयाँ बिल्डिङ हो, 2 वर्ष भयो मान्छेहरू भन्न थालेको। नोभोल्यान्ड यो एरियामा त खाने ठाउँ त रेस्टुरेन्ट त धेरै रहेछ नि। दादा यहाँ त रेस्टुरेन्ट त धेरै रहेछ त। रेस्टुरेन्ट के अहिले दाजुभाइ बिफ खानुपर्छ। बिफ अहिले चाहिँ हामी पोतिनमा आइपुग्यो। पोतिनमा हाम्रो राणा दाजुको पहिला बस्नुभएको बिल्डिङ। ए दाजु बिल्डिङ हेर्नु तपाईँ पहिला बस्नुभएको बिल्डिङ याद आउला। यता हिलुङबाट रक्सी खाँदै ट्याक्सीमा आएको याद आउला यहाँ। याद आ रहा है तेरा प्यार। ल अब सुरु भयो हल्का उकालो बाटो चाहिँ। अब पिच नै हो यो, कङ्क्रिटको बाटो। 2 स्टेप चढ्नेमै स्यासो भइहाल्यो यार। बाबु पकेट
This is you get fresh air, okay? Not so many the tree. Yeah. Get the fresh, yeah, fresh air, okay? Don't use my.
Baba.
Ajur.
Look at the river.
Yeah.
Baba.
Ajur.
Most countries are more have more pollution than other countries.
Yeah.
So cold.
Hong Kong is good.
Higher.
No pollution.
Hello. We got hamster.
वी अलमोस्ट मिडल अफ द हिलमा आइपुगे बिचबाट।
मिडल पनि हैन, यो त 1/4 होला।
अनि गफदेखि
कस्तो छ के पाडे जस्तो छ के त्यस्तो। अस्ति चाइनाको बोर्डर हेरौँ भनेको चक्कर चढिदियो न फर्कै।
Baba, I'm going to be starving. Me too.
Starving? Just 2 minutes more.
2 minutes?
Just arrived our destination.
What is that? Are you tired? Yeah. Hello guys.
On छ?
बाबु
Tired boy, I want to go Nani home now.
टाढो भयो नानी होम जानुले टाढो भयो अलिकति अब
ल सिट गर, यही सिट गर, बस एक।
पापा खान्छ पापा।
ल सिट गर।
कम अन अब गयो बाबु त स्ट्रङ छ नि।
Just.
Really? Yeah, I'm strong. I only feel like most of it I'm tired, but because you drink water. Drink water. 除咗咧喺I always have full finish. Wait. I want to go to Nani home now, tired.
Sit here. Come here. Sit.
I will.
Sit. Sit.
I'm gonna go.
No, baby. Sit.
Hello, guys. Hello.
Hello, guys. Don't move. Don't. Move with
Almost here.
Yeah, almost here.
Hello, guys. I'm so tired now. Well, I need to be. Look at Nani, so what? Nani, turn around. Please, so what?
It's your first time?
Yes.
That's why you try.
Nani and you, it's the first time, right?
Yes.
First time hiking.
So, Nani ko na first time mo?
Oh, go ahead.
Why I always go to Nani home and Guna?
Gumna, like this, Gumna. We are going.
Wait.
Black Point हुँदै यता थुनमुन यो दुईजनाहरुको आज फर्स्ट हाइकिङ
Again?
आराम गरेको यहाँ
Can I go now?
वेट गर्नु न आफू टायर्ड
Hello,
हुन्छ
guys.
आफू टायर्ड हुन्छ फेरि गो नाउ भन्छ
गर्दा नि के
I want to play Roblox with Nani.
get to health why always to screen
आज ड्रोनको पाइलट चाहिँ को अरे यो सानो मान्छे
I want to do.
पाइलट
I want to do. Mosquito bite.
यो ड्रोन यसले सानो मान्छेले ड्रोन चलाएको छ आज लैजा उता लैजा फाड लैजा ओ गएको बाई बाई ड्रोन
यस
माथि लैजा माथि ओ ये ल भयो स्टप
Forward?
Yeah.
Go forward.
माथि गयो
Other? Alright. Down?
डाउन
बेला बेलामा होला बितेवा है मजा देबी हो यो ल बोक
ल रात पनि पर्यो अब घरतिर
रात निस्किनु पर्छ
Nani home to play Roblox with Nani.
we're now going back home
Yes.
बाबु आज इन्जोय गरे
Yes, to fly
you
the
can fly
drone.
in drone
Yes. I can do the drone.
yeah you can fly the drone yeah
Yes.
it's easy
पानी खानु बितेवा मलाई पानी खानु दिनु
खाजा खाए भर्खर
Baba, to do the drone for me so easy. I want to.
तल आँखा हेर
Okay. Let's see one big rock here.
अब घर फर्किने हामी
One big rock in the right side. A rock.
Yes, come on. You both are very great, huh? You did it today. You're hiking, huh? Good. You both are very strong. I like it.
Yes.
You are my favorite kid.
Huh? Also me?
What about you? Let's check out now.
No.
अब पर्छ check out.
To the front now. Whee! Tickle, tickle.
because you are captain
Of the
you're
drone?
leader
The drone? Of the drone?
no
What?
you're leader that's why you are front side
Wow, look
मलाई
at
3-4 फोट चाहिएको थियो
Oh.
जाले भयो
that. All the lights
Drill
are.
around like that.
oh
Nani,
Don't go foot.
this is worth it.
no
या हाइकर्सहरु
Oh, a dog.
Yeah.
I want to maintain the hat.
Come. Yes. Enjoy, huh?
Run!
Yeah, run, girl.
Okay. Baba, did you take a photo of you?
Yeah,
Also me?
yeah. Oh, uncle, I'll tell you what you
Movie?
have. Video banana.
China. Where in this side is Hong Kong, that side is China.
This is Hong Kong, this is China?
And that one is China, yes.
How China is in Hong Kong and
Yes.
Hong Kong is here?
Very near China.
I think we need to for different country for China. To move is actually here?
Yeah, Babu.
Wow. I don't need max. No need max.
Hold it. But it's not falling, okay? Don't litter, okay?
Let's go down. It's now heaven.
Besar dungo jo
Aba no dorne, aba big control.
It is heaven.
Yeah, it is heaven, no?
I'm going up this hill, right, Nani?
Yeah, we're going to down.
Nani?
slowly.
Slowly, aba there.
You know,
Problem.
I
Tuk tuk
think
ja.
you're going up, right? You're going down much faster, right? Yeah. In heaven. I have a photo. Oh, be careful. Up hill. This way. This way.
Jamak ka रात परि हाल्यो कसरी
Kani awo, Tabu.
Can you hit me?
Hey, Tabu, bhat khana aa ja.
Mane khana khachu.
Hey, Sundari, khana aa ja.
Mane bhuk lageko छ देने.
ए कालिकामा भात आयो
Hey, Kaliko ama, bhat khana aa ja. Kasa गाउँ यसो चिल्लाउनु हैन टाढा हुँदैन
No, don't.
दौड हैन बेबी
Ale.
कन्ट्रोल गर कति अब
Hello.
आरामले वक मात्रै गर न बेबी दौड्यो भने तिमी कन्ट्रोल हुन्छ नि वक गर
Going up is hill. And going down is
Heaven.
heaven. What? No.
It confused you.
What do you say? My kuta is hurting from holding myself. What do you say? My kuta is hurting because I am holding myself. Me too. I'm tired.
I want to sleep.
I want to sit over tonight.
Won't want to sleep
No.
because he's very tired.
No.
He don't want to play
I
Roblox.
want to play.
He's going to uninstall Roblox.
No.
Finally हामी तल झर्यो आइपुग्यो
So tired.
ओह्रालो झरेर आमा दुईजना एकदम टायर्ड भयो अरे ल
Aya.
अब ढाड दुख्छ
Aya. My back looks so.
मेरो खुट्टा दुख्छ
Aya. मेरो खुट्टा दुख्छ.
अँ। गाडी
Kor.
काट आऊ
What's on Baba?
कम पहिला हाँसेको दुईजना नि ओह्रालो आएको के अरे सम्मबाट आएको त स्टेटबाट आएको त
Now this is heaven. And Duita is hell there. Nani? In the mouth we saw hell, right? Why the crowd looks like red, you know? I don't know. Looks like the demon controlling it. Cut. You know, also me too, Jabu. One of my friends who like person is 4-year-old already. I still can't carry her because I'm taller of her.
अहिले चाहिँ स्कोप चाहिँ डिजिटल मार्केटिङ सिक्यो भने
No, actually.
डिजिटल मार्केटिङमै जानु
It's so tiny of me.
क्लियर भइदियो है
त्यति बेला अब यो अहिलेको युगमा अब हामी
कति युट्युबबाट गर्नु सक्दैन हेर्ने भएर हेर्ने के है युट्युबमा झ्याट्टै आउँदैन आरामले आएर आयो भने फेरि नयाँ नयाँ कन्टेन्ट बनाउनु कता कता जानु पर्यो होइन जो नेपालमा चलिरहेको नि बहुत छ नेपालमा त्यो देखाएर चाहिँ
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Iron Guy, okay? Don't forget subscribe and like and share.
See you in next
Comment.
vlog. See you in next vlog.
See you next vlog. Thanks.
ल आजलाई यति नै
I think you're Jinx.
आज चाहिँ हल्का
Because I'm always Jinx.
डाँडामा गएर फर्केर आयो
Jinx. You call it.
पसिना निकाल्यो अलिकति क्यालोरी घटाइयो त्यति नै भयो
Get that out.
आजको ब्लग पछि भेटौँला अर्को ब्लग भन्दै बाई बाई
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
ल बाई 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 गर्नु छैन